back, ninjas. It's your favorite YDP Udi Mohar here. I'm here to teach you how to get stronger. So at home, you can build your own obstacles, and I want to see you guys try. With your parents' permission, of course, have your parents help you. It could be a fun little activity to do during this quarantine. So I'm going to show you guys my course. This is a pretty difficult course, but keep in mind, it took me a while to get here. I'm 21. You are all, what, 6 to 10, somewhere around there? So you have a lot of years of training to catch up to me, but that's a lot of time. You can definitely do it because I was preoccupied with football and other high school sports, whereas you all have the opportunity to start now. Whereas when I was growing up, this sport wasn't as big as it was back then. So that being said, I'm going to show you guys my course, and I want to challenge you all to beat me.
Alright, so to sort of break down my run live after the fact, you can see I'm really using this efficiency thing I was going on about the other day, where I'm kind of skipping holes, especially with that big gap in the middle. I twist it, I already have this pre-planned out, so I don't have to waste time thinking while I'm actually doing it. Same for the PCP pipes. I can kind of just skip some, and then with the proper hands, I get the momentum to reach up to these rings. So it's hard to tell, but I'm not putting the big rings through the middle. I'm putting the tiny ring on top of the ring, which fits just about perfectly into the metal holes. So that's why this obstacle is so difficult, because you have to be accurate after using a lot of your strength. So again, this is sort of challenging you to get stronger, even if you don't have these obstacles. Go ahead and hang from a bar, hang from whatever you can to build up that strength while you're young, while your body's still developing. It's going to be a lot easier for you all now rather than when you're 30. So here you can see, jump to this bar, got a lot of momentum, so I got to kill my momentum with the anti-swing, sort of, at the apex of my swing. Moving on to these monkey bars, big swings, you only have to take 2, and it's perfectly distanced out, so that I can clear the course in only 2 swings. Thanks, y'all. Have a good day.